Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 83 of our 100-day price action challenge, and yes, I think market is again heading down. It's really tough and very irritating, especially for me. I think everyone. I have been sitting on the cash from a very long time. Somewhere around here, I have just initiated one or two little positions. Even now, they have hit the stop loss, and almost one or two positions are left. Probably they might hit today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That's how the market looks like. Currently, you can see this is the Nifty chart. You can see here, right? This is one kind of shoulder. This is the head, and it is trying to form a inverse head and shoulder pattern. So I can call this as we can just label this as the left shoulder. I'm writing this as LS, and we can label this as the head. Here you can see. And if possible, if this comes somewhere around here and tries to form a right shoulder, and if it breaks out, that would be a little bit good situation. Anyway, we are still above this trend line. I'm extending this to. I know a lot of lines, it might confuse you, but it will help out. That's why I have lightened this line. Coming to Nifty Junior, the same thing repeating over and over again across all. In fact, yesterday large caps were very strong, mid caps and micro caps, especially the micro caps were a little bit down. But today, even the large cap stocks were also down. Let's see each and every stock in the later part of the video. Coming to the mid cap, see, I hope that they really take a rest here. They take some support, they consolidate here, and they bounce up. If they break down below this line, that would be really stupid. And almost it is the sixth time we are falling into such trap. Small caps down 1.4 and mid caps, look at the pace it is falling down. From this top again down 5.2%. That's a massive fall. I know it's very frustrating for everyone. I think almost half of your gains which we have gained last week in the portfolio have been wiped out, right? That's how the market looks like. Not at all good. Very choppy. Uh, Even let's look at the gold. Gold is currently consolidating. Let's wait for a few more weeks, few more days. Let's see if it breaks out this level. Probably we can trade at least little bit in the gold. Silver is also consolidating. Silver is one of the very choppiest metal stocks I have ever seen. I think gold is the most cleanest start we have been seeing lately. Even the banks have been also correcting lately. Today it is down 1%. But again, that's a good thing. At least only one day. Still, it couldn't go below this day low. That's clearly indication that banks are good. Private banks are really healthy. But look at PSU bank. That's the difference you are seeing, right? You can see the private banks. Look at how they are doing. This was the Monday's big move. They are still respecting and they are holding this Monday's big candle move. But look at PSU banks, they have went below this. That's why I have been highlighted you, right? Probably on the Friday as well as on the Monday, that I'm a little bit skeptical about the PSU bank moves. I'm really comfortable with the private bank moves, but PSU bank looks really very weak. I don't like what's happening here. Look at IT, now it is consolidating again. Of course, at least there is some kind of relatively positive momentum for the last 2 days on the Nasdaq. That's why we are seeing the IT index moving sideways or up a little bit. Alto mostly flat today. Reality stock, see, it is again heading down. I don't like this. That's why I never trusted reality stocks. Pharma is also moving down. Infra, at least infra is little bit stronger relative to other names. FMCG as usual, it did not move much. It did not participate much in the last few days rally. Hence, it is also not moving now. Telecom today, it was a really good breakout on the Airtel. We will see the Airtel chart, but again, it has failed out because of the weak market conditions. Even healthcare is going down. Healthcare used to be very strong. I don't like this now. Media, see, down 2.4%. That's why it is one of the weakest sectors in the Nifty 100 or the Nifty space. And we have been clearly seeing, right from the top. Look at here, down 6% in last 3 sessions. Not at all cool. Not at all looking good. Now let's see how each chart has done. Look at Reliance again. Not good, right? Closed below this level. Probably Reliance is set for some kind of time correction. It might. I think even the market is set for time correction probably. TCS still hanging at the bottom. See, couldn't close above this level. Not good. HDFC Bank, obviously it was a very strong move. Now it is seeing some form of consolidation. Let's really expect that it only consolidates within this range and finally breaks up. Otherwise, HDFC is the heavyweight in Nifty. If HDFC moves down, Nifty also goes down again. It will spoil the entire market move. Look at Airtel. It was very good in the first 15 minutes, but later, due to market weakness, it has closed. But still, I'm a little bit happy that it is closed in positive. That's a very, very strong name we have been seeing. Let's really hope that it doesn't revert something like this time too. ICICI Bank, obviously, it is at the all-time high, so we can just simply draw this major line here. You can see here, right? This is one of the major line you can see. We can just keep this line. See, this would be the consolidation, tight consolidation. We need some more few 3-4 days of consolidation and a breakout. That would be perfect. Infosys not looking good. SBI, see, never trust PSU Bank. See, this single day was at least it is bit respected. Let's see PNB and Baroda and Union and Canara how they are doing on the other side. Hindustan Unilever not good. Bajaj Finance down 2%. That's a bit troubling. Although the volumes are very low volumes today, that's a good sign. But even price going 2% on Bajaj Finance, I'm a little bit thinking here it is one of the strong names. Let's wait and see. If it breaches this 8700 or 8660, that would be a little bit troublesome for Bajaj Finance. ITC sideways, LIC sideways, HCL Tech going sideways currently. L&T finally taking a little pullback. As of now, it is a healthy pullback in L&T unless it doesn't go below this level. Maruti again heading down below the support line, not at all good. Kotak Mahindra Bank, obviously it has to pull back. Let's really expect that it doesn't break this candle. If it breaks this candle, that would be little bit troublesome for Kotak. Sun Pharma, nice little pullback as of now. Still healthy. Most of the charts. M&M not looking good. Consolidating. It did not participate in this rally at all. Now it is moving down in the first attempt itself. Ultratech holding up really well. Good chart. Axis got it reversed, man. See, this was a fake break. What happened? See, the market condition is not yet supporting. I thought at least large caps and the private sector banks were doing really well, but looks like Axis Bank might need some more time. NTPC huge reversal, I guess. See, from this 370 point, it is already down 5%. So that's not at all healthy. Even the volumes were also decently high, not very low. It are recently high. Wipro not doing well. Bajaj Finserv really held up really good. I thought with Bajaj Finance going down 2%, I thought Bajaj Finserv might be falling, but it has held up. ONGC Classic, it is heading down, not doing really well. Tata not boring. Adani Enterprises, so I think we need to wait for some more time on the Adani stocks again, unless there is one big huge day which is suddenly moves up. That would be fantastic to watch. Tata Motors trying to form a bottom finally now. Let's see. Let's really expect that this time it doesn't break this 600 or form a new low. Power grid still a flat. That's a good thing. Bajaj Auto sideways. JSW still you can see here still holding those levels. That's a good sign. Adani Ports going sideways. DMart need some time. We can draw a line here. I don't want to actually draw, but many days it has been waiting around this 4,000 psychological figure. So let's wait and see. Coal India went back below this line. Not good. Was it on high volumes? No, it was on low volumes. Okay. Still, we can give the benefit of doubt for the market that there might be a little reversal tomorrow. Hindustan Aeronautical very well holding up. In fact, the volumes were highest volume quarter. Very good. I think some news came out on the Hindustan Aeronautical. Probably that's why the volumes have spiked up. But so far, so good on the chart. Zomato down 3%. Again tested this 200. Please be careful if it breaks down this 200 level. You might test 189 immediately. Then you might test 170 level. So please be careful if you are holding Zomato. Nestle going sideways, Asian Paint sideways, Adani Power heading down. In fact, it got rejected at this trend line again, heading down. Bharat Electronics consolidating. See, that's a strong trade. Even the market is moving down, this is consolidating. Good sign. Trend trying to form a bottom here. Good attempt. Siemens, if something happened on the Siemens, if you have some news, please put it on the comment section. Why? That is a huge volume. Even the price is up also 6%. Probably something has happened, I guess. Let's see if there is any news. I think yes, something gems of some kind of demerger is getting approved, I guess. Yes. Good. Probably. Finally, it is trying to form a bottom here. Tata Steel sideways needs to respect this level. It's an important support zone for Tata Steel. Indigo, good consolidation as of now, nothing major concern on the chart. IOC heading down again, not good. Even the volumes were also higher than the normal, not good. DLF heading down. Grasim holding up cement stocks. I think someone has mentioned that UBS has upgraded cement stocks. So some kind of buzz is happening on the cement names. VBL going sideways as of now. IRFC sideways. Vedanta sideways. Tech Mahindra huge reversal again. Yesterday it did not correct much. I was little surprised today. Today it corrected huge. Stock is very weak in the IT. Divi slab going sideways. So SBI Live, let's really expect that it doesn't break this level. If it breaks it again, same thing happens. LTIM sideways, Geo Finance not at all good. This is just waiting for the moment. If the market is down, this would be the first stock to go down, I guess. Hindalco, nice tightness consolidation. It's forming here. That's a good chart. Let's wait and see. Pidilite going sideways. Eicher Motors not doing that interesting here. See, very choppy name, but still trading at all-time highs. HDFC Life, very interesting. Let's really expect this 665 is another support zone because 1, 2, 3, and 4 times it has it is a crucial level 665. So let's wait and see. Adani Green not looking good. Bajaj Holding tried to move up again due to market weakness, has just held up here. PFC, oof, it got rejected at 432, now heading down. This is the 50-day moving average. What do you think? Would it bounce here and move up and break out and make a very good move, or would it just consolidate here? What are your odds? What do you think on PFC? Loda, not looking good. Needs to consolidate more. Sipla, I think that's a very bad chart. Volumes are low, but not good. Not good. Sipla, very choppy. Ambuja Cement, not that great. Many good cement stocks are out there than this chart. Britannia sideways. Cholamandalam still holding this. My respect for Cholamandalam is increasing. Obviously, I know that NBFC sector is in a good shape currently right now. That's clearly evident on the charts. ABB sideways. Tata Power hanging at this support zone. TVS Motor still stuck between here. Godrej Consumer Property. I can just drag this line here. Shriram Finance too, obviously holding up very good chart, very good chart. BPCL, ooh, IOC was the first thing today. BPCL again heading down. Till yesterday it was looking good, both IOC and BPCL, but now I am trying to change my view on BPCL. Not yet for the reversal. Punjab National Bank, this is something I was afraid of. It should not close below this 94 level. Now it has closed. Again, it might head down. Bank of Baroda too, not doing that well. Gale, same heading. I see a lot of correlation between these three names. I don't know why. Torrent Pharma too, almost not doing that good. Sri Cement, it's up 1.3%. See, I was waiting for this level, right? We have been waiting for this 29,000 since the beginning of our 100-day price action challenge. If the market condition was actually good, I would have really wished to take a trade here, but now I am not in a mood to take the trade. But if the market reverses, probably Sri Cement is something I would be very closely watching out. REC not looking good. Tata Consumer boring, going sideways. United Spirit sideways. Havel sideways. Naukri not looking good. Dr. Reddy is one of the very choppiest names in the entire pharma. I think the chart is loading. Let's wait for some time. So, not at all looking good. Dabur going sideways. Apollo Hospital still. See, broken below this zone again. Not good. Many charts are doing this. Lidos Life below the support line, but it is tightly consolidating. That's decent. Union Bank, ooh, that's a major policy. Entire move it gained here 8.5%, now only up 1%. It gave back the entire move. Motherson Sumi sideways, going sideways. Zindal still tightening up. I like how this chart is forming, but let's wait for the market condition. It's looking good. Lombard not doing well. iPro going sideways. JSW Energy, another good chart here, trying for a reversal. Good chart. INDUSIND not at all good. Adani Energy Solution, this I have put an alert here, waiting for this alert to get triggered. Bosch going sideways. Canara Bank again below this level, not below 50-day moving average. See again, many stocks slipped down below 50-day moving average today. Not good. Hero Motocorp sideways. NHPC. How is NHPC looking? Not really well. BHL also not that great. Adani Total Gas simply not good. IRCTC again heading for a new low probably. That's it. With the 100 stocks, I know it's not that great today. The market is really frustrating. It is testing out patience of every single investor and trader out there. What are you doing? How are you passing the time in such market condition? Please let me know. Thanks a lot for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.